Good morning, everyone. And it's 4:30 in the morning. We started to trek like 3 a.m. or I don't know. And as of this time, we're almost there. Oh my gosh.
Mount Pulag. Ang pinakamataas na bundok sa kapuluan ng Luzon at ang pangatlo sa buong Pilipinas. Matatagpuan ito sa dulong parte sa pagitan ng mga probinsya ng Ifugao, Nueva Vizcaya at Benguet. Masasaksihan dito ang nakamamanghang Milky Way Galaxy. Breathtaking sea of clouds. At pinakamagandang sunrise sa buong bansa. Wait. Bakit parang nagkukwento ako sa mga bata? Anyway, this is not a vlogcumentary. Hindi tayo nakapag-research about this mountain, kaya vlogger and moments muna tayo. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's go!
I have a power. Power bed. I'm going to Mount Pulag. So it's 2:38 after a long walk. We're finally here. Camp 1. Hello everyone, so it's raining and it's kind of hard to trek. I've been I'm so nosebleeding. Oh my gosh, it's raining! Look at the moment. Whew. And I am now here at the camping area. Ooh. So we're finally here at the camp 2 and we are going to spend the night here. And tomorrow morning, like 4 a.m., we're going to the summit to see the Sea of Clouds. So it's already 5:20 in the morning and we're already here, almost there. And we're so excited to see the sea of clouds. Mount Pulag! Woo! Hello! Oh my gosh! Hello! Look at the sea of clouds. I know. Show them. Oh my gosh! Woo! And I am here at the top of the world. Oh my gosh! Mount Pulag. I can't believe it. Oh my gosh. After how many hours of trekking, we're finally here. It's 2,922 meters above sea level. So that's so exciting. That's so high. And look at the world. Please do not forget to subscribe for more informative and entertaining videos every week. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next video.
Educate.